Hello everyone. Today we want to explain how to start the emergency generator. Third engineer is here, chief engineer is here. So, first of all, tell us that how many methods we have for starting this emergency generator. Then one by one, we will do it. Okay?
Yes. We have two methods for starting manually emergency generator. The first one is with power sources.
Okay.
And another one without power sources.
Okay, so there is two methods for starting this emergency generator. One is with power source and one of them is without power
sources.
Okay, which one you want to start now?
First, I will explain about
first
power sources.
Okay.
Emergency switchboard, emergency generator panel.
Okay.
First, mode selection switch from auto to manual.
Okay, from auto to manual, number one, okay.
And then, emergency generator panel, operation switch to manual.
Yeah, this is the emergency generator panel.
Yes.
From the auto to manual.
Manual.
Okay.
And then, push start button 2 to 3 seconds and the generator started.
So we push the start button for around
2 to 3 seconds.
Then generator will be
started.
Okay, please do it.
Start.
So this was the first method.
First method.
So what about the second one without power source?
Yes. The second one without power sources. This one is simulation. Take out locking plate. Here is locking plates.
We take out this
locking plate.
Locking plate. Okay. Out.
Air starting line. From air starting line, solenoid valve.
The air starting line. This is the air starting line.
Solenoid valve.
Solenoid valve. We remove the plug.
Manually push.
Then manually
push.
There is a button there.
And there it just started.
Please start. Manually we will push it. We stopped on and a stop procedure come from same button, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So now we will bring it back to the normal setting.
Yes.
Correct?
Correct.
So finish. Thank you. Thank you. Well done. Well done.